All right, so we're back with another update on the Integra. Things are coming along, not as fast as I probably want them, or Harry probably wants them, Eric want them, but the shit's coming along. So we're gonna give you all a little bit of tour of what's going on, what's in so far, what you can expect to see, especially on Instagram, and just take a look at some of the shit. Don't make jokes. Don't make jokes. So as you see, still running with my thing. People know that I do this very well known in shows, especially. This is an OEM Integra bumper, but I get it modified where it just says TEG. As you can see, the inside fully painted. We are testing out the struts to go in for the airlift system as well. I mean, it really looks good in here. Working out some harness things. I'm still trying to decide what I'm going to do for air setup back here. I'm really loving the way this looks, so I'm keeping that in mind. If we come to the bottom side of the car, you'll see now putting in the good golden parts. A lot of stuff still left to go on down here, but take a look at these rotors. Poof. Long time waiting. Look at those. Harsh Times DC. That is so nice. With the logo. Big shout out to S1 Built. Coming around here, Harry's been working on the braking system right there. Big shout out to Josh, sitting right there, finishing lines, getting the tuck kit in. One hell of a drill over there to get done, which is crazy. So Josh, big shout out for you looking out, helping out with that. Inside looking nice and crisp. Interior option still waiting. We'll come over here. Front suspension is going in. A couple of different things need to be replaced. Harry's going to be getting on those. Brake line kit is looking crisp right here. The gold brackets to hold the clips in. Modified, of course, custom coated camber kits, rear and lower LCAs, looking pretty damn good. Engine bay is still naked. There are a couple of things that have went in right there, as you see. The brake system going in, clutch system going in. The subframe rack and steering rack is looking awesome. Hardware, MPC, big shout out to MPC, big part of the build. The color is ridiculously, still loving that. No, a lot of people, y'all gotta stop. This color is not like another color. It might look similar, but I'm gonna tell you this. There are a lot of things that went into making this color. Took some months, took quite a bit of money to make it, and then once it was finally decided on, to go ahead and get it all ordered up so we could get the car painted. So yeah, as well as it might look similar to some other car that you know, or some other regular OEM color, it is not OEM color. It is not your color. This is a personalized mix with different shit going on, and it does look different in the lighting. So I'm waiting to see this thing pulled out in the sun, different show lighting, all of that stuff. So let's get ready to go over here. Just in case you all have a situation like this, you'll know. I don't know if you're doing a tuck kit, but in case you are doing a tuck kit, there is a line right up there beyond the clutch pedal that has to be drilled. It is a motherfucker, all right? So beware of that. Oh my gosh, hardware everywhere. Gotta be careful with my gun. So other than that, the build is coming along good. Now over here, different parts going in. Here are the rear calipers, getting these ready to go in. Shift linkage. Air system, just gonna stage that up for right now. A lot of things gonna go with that. The block, the engine is looking beautiful. Gold hardware on the starter, gold hardware on the mounts, gold hardware for the headers, gold hardware for everything. As you see right here, switched it up, went to coil pack system. So this is really going to be an upgrade. Most people with a B series, that's the big plus about going K series. Newer technology, better spark, better electronics. This is the medium if you don't want to get rid of your B series, but you still want some of those additives or those pluses. This is what you're going to do right here. As you come on this side, yes. Fluid dampener, we just did an episode with them, got that on there. Alternator, gold hardware in black. Yes, cam gears. Now listen, I did do the center bolt, but I didn't want to do these bolts. Harry and them all agree this is a little sketchy to probably change that. And we all know interference motors rely heavily on these staying in place. So I'm not so vain that I gotta have this shit, but we did talk about it and we went against that. Hardware here going in. As you see, the table is littered with more hardware. There are more parts around this shop that is ridiculous. So yeah, that is the update so far on the car. Things are looking good. I am completely proud of it. I'm loving the way things are turning out. It's just that it's going to take a while, a little bit longer for you all than me, because we've been through this shit. This is probably like our third time. Harry, what's this? Is this like the third? This is like the second or third time this car is going through this shit, right? Yeah. So we've been through it. So like long for you all is not long for us. Like this is not long for us. The process that it's taking, but it is a grueling process. There's a lot of shit going into it. It's no rush right now. We talked about it before we started this shit. We're not rushing this time around. We don't have deadlines. We don't have shit. When it's done, and it'll be out, and you'll see it. More progress and updates on IG. Stay up with that. Peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.